What happened to your phone, you said, miss?
My 2-year-old son threw it because he got upset. He couldn't finish the game.
Mm-hmm.
So I came here to bring it to you guys and see if you guys could hook me up.
You said the color change?
And yeah, I want a color change too. I want purple.
Don't worry. I got you. Power button doesn't work. It's calling 911. Sorry, the phone is called by itself. I'm sorry. The screen is cracked. The phone is calling by itself. Alright, thank you. Surgery time. Your phone is ready, miss.
That looks so cool. You're a genius, you know that? Wow. You really did it.
I did it.
That's crazy. Awesome. I like this already.
Looking good?
Yeah. So I have like everything set up. Everything's good.
Everything's in there.
You did a good job. It looks awesome. Yeah. You fixed it. Looks great. I like this. You did a good job. And it's purple.